In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous version from OneDrive version history in PowerPoint. If you've ever overwritten a slide, deleted the perfect chart, or just want to go back to an earlier draft, this is exactly what you need. First, make sure you have the presentation open and that it's saved in OneDrive. You'll know it's connected if you see the cloud icon and the file name in the PowerPoint title bar. Files that aren't saved to OneDrive won't have version history, so this connection is key. Next, click the file name at the top of the window. A small menu will appear, and from there, choose Version History. This opens a panel that shows a timeline of saved versions. You'll see dates, times, and who made the changes. PowerPoint and OneDrive create versions automatically as you work, especially if autosave is on, so you'll often have plenty of points to choose from. Take a moment to scan the list and look for the version that likely contains the content you want back. The timestamps are your best clue here. When you find a candidate, click Open Version. PowerPoint will open a read-only preview of that specific version, usually in a separate window. This is your chance to check the slides, notes, layouts, and any design or animation elements to be sure it's the one you want. If it looks right, you have two choices. Select Restore to replace the current file with this older version. This is great when you're confident you want to roll back. Alternatively, choose Save a copy if you want to keep both, the current file as it is, and a separate copy of the older version. Saving a copy is a safe approach when you're still comparing or you want a backup. After you choose Restore or Save a copy, PowerPoint may ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm the action to finalize the restored version. You'll see the file sync through OneDrive, and anyone who has access to this presentation will see the updated content. Don't worry, restoring doesn't erase history. The version you replaced becomes just another entry in version history, so you can always switch again if needed. That's all there is to it. Open the presentation from OneDrive. Use version history to review past saves, preview with open version, then restore to roll back or save a copy to keep both. It's a simple, reliable way to undo mistakes and protect your work without starting over.